Yo, what's up guys? Today we will be playing this game that is a ragdoll engine game, but realistic. So let's play it, and I'll show you what it means by realistic. Okay, I'm gonna turn this down. Okay. Yo, this person is hitting me with that! Okay, so you'll see what I mean by it's realistic, so look. Look at this. Look, it looks realistic. Like, I'm swinging my arms and legs and everything. And this is what the first person looks like. Oh, no, I'm going to hit the ground. I'm going to hit the ground. Oh. You don't die in this game for some reason, but it's okay. It is really, really good game. Obstacles. Let's go on obstacles. Oh, my God. Look at those blades. Look at those blades. Wait, can you... Holy, wait, I can do a front flip. Wait, can I do a backflip? Oh, I cannot do a backflip. We'll do the others later. Right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my, I got a concussion. Oh my God. Oh, wait. Oh my Jesus. That was really cool. Alright, now let's do another one. Oh, maybe. Which one should we do? I think we should do this one. It looks the most craziest. And I like crazy. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no. Yo. Oh. Looked like it's just grass. At least it wasn't like concrete or something. Okay, so let's do the building roof. Hey, go. Oh my God. What does attach mean? Oh my God. This is like bungee jumping. Oh, this is bungee jumping. Can I go back up? Am I just hit? Oh my God, man. Oh no. Okay. Let's go on mountain, actually. That's cool. That seems cool. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Oh, I got a concussion. Let's go on the spiral stairs. Let's see. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Shoot. Oh my gosh, I almost overboarded. Oh wow. Is this how people actually fall down the stairs in real life? See, I was boarded. Oh my God, okay. Oh, there's buildings. Okay, wait, I don't know what's that. So let's do, wait, there's some things over here. We can do. Oh shoot, wait, let's go into cannon. This is cool. Alright. Oh my Jesus. Oh no, I'm falling. Oh no. Oh no. Yo, this game is actually really realistic. This is like a recommended play. And it doesn't have gore at all. Oh my God. I'm flying. Oh wait, these are sick. Okay. There's something over there. But I think we should do the hammers and stuff. Yeah, let's watch if they can do it. Oh my God. Alright, let's do it. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, that was crazy. I got a concussion. I saw colors. I saw very beautiful things. Oh shit, let's do this one. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Oh, it's not beautiful as I thought. Let's just go back. Okay. Oh, that look. Oh my God, what the? Oh, that's boring. Oh, there's a yellow little just like slide. Or maybe we should do the blue one. I think we should do the yellow one first. Oh, I hit my head on that. Y'all saw that? Whee! Whee! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that was absolutely crazy. I'm not gonna get that. Oh, I slipped. Oh no, I slipped. I slipped, and I did not mean to.
Are you sure about that?
Oh my god. That was crazy. Let's do stairs. We didn't do that yet. Which one should we do? This one or this one? I think we should do this one. 3, 2, 1. Half of the time you can barely say anything when you're in first person. Oh my god, that was actually fast. Okay, let's do more stuff. There's some stuff right there we can do. Okay, we are here at this thing that makes us go flying. Oh my god! Oh no, we fell into the pit. Oh, we fell into the pit. Pipes, oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh my god, dude, this is brutal. Oh my god. Oh, yo, there's more people here. Oh my god, dude, are you okay? You're sitting there. You look depressed. Wait, I'm wait. Oh! Yo, so many people are here. Yo, that's actually sick, look. Like, I'm like trying to fall by a ship. Let's do obstacles. Obstacles is like the best one so far. After this, okay, let's do the blue one. What should we do? We already did the red one, right? Yeah, I think we did. Let's do this. Whee! Oh no. Whee! Okay. Wait, look, what is that? Wait, what is that? Is that stairs or no, that's slide. Let's do slide again. I wanna see what happens. There's a really thin slide. Oh, that's not thin, okay. Ragdoll! Oh, yeah, oh my god, did y'all see that? That flip though? Oh wait, we should do this. We're doing this. We are doing this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wait, guys. I've been Chunks. Here we go. Ah! Okay, that was actually cool. Okay, no, we don't. Wait, there's one more we have to do. Or like 2 more. You gotta do this rocket ship. This is the. Gotta do this rocket ship. Oh no! Is this gonna explode on us? I hope it doesn't. Oh my god, it did. It did. I did not know that. I did not know that. I went past. Where am I? Oh my god. Yo, am I ever gonna fall back down? I'm falling back down. I'm falling. This is past the airplane. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, this is far down. I'm gonna get a concussion or something, bro. I'm gonna get a concussion. Oh my god, I'm still in the air. I'm in the air. I'm in the air. Oh my god, this game is actually peak. I'm not gonna lie. Let's just okay, wait, can we do something with the building? Let me try it out. There's dumpsters. I don't know if that has to do with anything. Oh my god, you jumped off that building. There's a big dumpster here. Dumpster. I can go to the top. Or I can go inside. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, that's sick. That's sick. That's super sick. Hey, watch this. Okay, now Clay, we should not give them no feedback. Oh, this game is sick. Like, watch this. Okay, what the? Is he on VR? That's not on VR. He's just. Wait, is this game a VR game? If this would be like a horror game or something. If it was like for VR. It looks like this is VR. Like, you can't tell me this looks like VR. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Ah, I just smashed my head onto it. Alright, we got last one. Oh my. Oh, I landed it. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.